Open your eyes.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Is this my house?
Whoa!
Michelle!
Is this Beverly Hills or
Is
what?
this Beverly Hills or what? Everything! Oh my God, look at the lampstand!
I know.
And the kimono! Oh my God, the kimono! Oh! And the chandelier!
How do we place this?
Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Michelle, how did you even visualize this thing? I gotta call my friends tonight! I gotta... Oh, this is so... Michelle! What did you get this? This is gorgeous and it went all the way up. It just like accentuated my
Yeah. Now
My
people
wall.
are going looking.
I'm like an architectural digest.
You guys
my ugly thing is over there.
Take it up. Take it up.
Okay, here. Oh my God!
Whoa! Look at that.
Oh my chair! My chair! Oh my God! Michelle! This is really
Yeah.
nice. I can't
You went on the
imagine
board.
how it's going to be. This is not my house! And my table, the thing I did, went together really good. No wonder you wanted that really white. Because of, oh my
Actually,
gosh.
you know, come to think of it, this is like the focus here. We didn't even recognize this TV stand and everything. It's-
Now we could appreciate sitting over here, Dad, before we cannot sit here.
Yeah, that's true.
Because now we could sit here and watch everything. Oh my gosh, Michelle. It's like, this is not my house. Oh, you got those two up there. Beautiful. Oh my God! Beyond.
Way beyond. We never expected. I thought it was going to be, you know, I mean, a bomb.
This is so sophisticated, so kind of transitional, as she always says it's going to be, but with sophistication, you know, which is I wanted it to be. So this will be my home for the next till I die, and it saved me another. As I say, we're not
And
buying a home.
you know
This
what
is like more than what 500,000 homes are. You buy somewhere else, and here I am. I'm living in it right now.
And you know what I feel right now? We don't have the heater on, but it's hot in here.